Welcome, here I've got CUBOT X19 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by swiping up to open the list of the apps of the device, and let's pick the camera to open it. For now we are in the standard photo mode, and from here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap here we can get access to two other buttons. Now let's focus on this one at the center to open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the picture size option, so let's pick it. Now we can manage the quality of the picture connected with aspect ratios. So we have two ratios, 4 and 3, 16:9, and this is connected with different quality. I of course suggest you to keep this on the best possible, which is 16 megapixels to 4 and 3 ratio and 9 megapixels to 16:9 ratio, but of course you can also pick whatever you need here. And this is how to manage this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.